I purchased this because I still want to use this case for certain occasions when I do my outside content. Maybe I'm doing like lawn content or something that, you know, that can cause my phone to get damaged. I'd rather have a very strong case, okay? If I'm doing outdoor content and I'm doing like light stuff, then I don't mind having a case that I just bought. So I just bought one of the thin cases. This is a thick case, all right? So with that being said, if you do have a lavalier mic that you want to use, I can use my other lavalier mic that I use. Not old, well, it is kind of old, but you can click it on here. And when you click, it will ask, do you want to accept the accessory? And then you hit yes and blah, blah, blah. And then you can control that with your control panel, in which is, okay. So when you have your control panel on, you will see if it's connected or not. Once you take it off, oh, well, I have my Bluetooth on. Let me turn my Bluetooth off real quick. All right. So you see the volume on there. I'm going to go ahead and hook this up. Oh, let me connect my, oh, well, I got y'all on the camera, but when you connect your lavalier mic to this, now I can't connect this one because this is USB Type-C. This one is the 3.5 jack, okay? But you can connect your microphone, and also with this, you can connect headphones if you want to connect some headphones to it. Some people still like the wired headphones because sometimes wireless headphones have a lag and stuff like that. So it is good to have this type of attachment. So I will definitely be keeping this type of attachment around because I still want to use this case. All right. So when I use, oh, that don't go there. When I use this case, I will be using this lavalier mic right here. This is my favorite lavalier mic, you guys. Even though I do have the round one right here, this one is good. This one is good, you guys. Don't get me wrong. But I love this one. I still think this one is the best for me. All right. I just wish they had a version where you can hook it up directly to your phone. And when they get one of those, I will purchase another one of these. But I do like this one as well. If you want to be discreet, you want to hook it directly to your phone, then this one is definitely perfect. Okay. So that's the review of this one right here. All right. That is why I purchased this one.